Several different ways exist to enter your students' work-based learning experiences in CTEIS. If you track work-based learning by program, you will be able to enter these experiences by student by program. If you track work-based learning through student course offerings, you will be able to enter these experiences along with your enrollment data. You are strongly encouraged to select one of these methods only, as utilizing both styles may lead you to accidentally overwrite previously entered data. To manually enter work-based learning data, first navigate to www.cetis.com using any browser, then click Login. Log into cetis.com using your regular CTEIS username and password, and from the navigation bar, click Data Entry. Under Enrollment, click Manage Work-Based Learning, then select a school district from the Select District drop-down menu. CTEIS will display a list of active programs arranged in a default order, but you may sort your grid by clicking on individual heading labels. Click the Select button to the left of the desired program to display program details. If the selected program will not have any work-based learning experiences, click the checkbox on the right side of the Select Students panel. This will only be available if no work-based learning experiences are currently entered into the program. A message will be displayed if any experiences are on record, and they will need to be removed from the program before this checkbox will become available. The Spring validation process will review your program data to ensure either the No Work-Based Learning option was selected or that the program does have students with work-based learning experiences. The validation will not allow you to proceed otherwise. You may view a list of students by selecting one of the available radio buttons. The All Currently Enrolled option lists each student in CTEIS from the school district who is currently enrolled in a course in the selected program. The Active Courses buttons indicate the currently active courses you may select within the program and the students enrolled in them. In School but Not Enrolled is an option that lists each student in CTEIS from the school district who is not enrolled in a current course in the selected program. The final option, All Students in Program, lists each student who is still in school and has been enrolled in a course in that program at some time. After selecting a criterion for your building list, click the Show Students button to view your students. You may also search for a specific student by entering a UIC or last name into the search field and clicking the Search button. To enter work-based learning experiences for students, click the checkbox next to their UIC. You may quickly mark all students by clicking the Select All checkbox. When at least one checkbox is marked, the Experience Entry panel will be displayed. The available code entries are A for a Career Awareness experience, T for Career Training, E for Career Exploration, P for Career Preparation, and Y for Youth Apprenticeships. To change the experiences associated with a student, mark the checkbox next to that student's UIC to reveal a panel labeled Enter Work-Based Learning Experience Codes to Apply to Student Group. In this panel, you may enter up to 30 work-based learning codes and then choose from 2 buttons to edit the student's experiences. Clicking Overwrite Events will remove previous experiences from the marked student's record and replace them with your newly entered experiences. Append Events adds your newly entered experiences to those previously entered. You may remove a student's work-based learning experiences completely by clicking the Delete button within his or her row. Another method of adding work-based learning experiences is to enter them by course via Manage Enrollment. Navigate to Data Entry and Manage Enrollment. Then select a district and class from the course's grid. Select Students to update within the Enrolled Students grid, then click the Update Enrolled Students button. In the resulting pop-up panel, enter codes for the selected students within the Work-Based Learning field, then click Update Work-Based Learning Codes. Finally, to capture your changes within the CTEIS Work-Based Learning tool, you will need to go to Manage Work-Based Learning, browse for your program, and then click the button labeled Update Work-Based Learning from Enrollments. CTEIS allows users to quickly generate Excel files containing all students with work-based learning experiences. To do so, under Manage Work-Based Learning, click the Export of All Students with Work-Based Learning button at the top of the screen. You may then print or tailor this file for re-import into CTEIS.